Hi guys, so I'm back with my dress of the day. I'm just checking to see if the dogs are behind me. This is a really short one, I think. Hopefully short enough. I just got this in yesterday. So how you guys like it? It's very flowy, very, very light. It's a very light material. Yeah. So you guys like my hair and the whole look. I think I posted this as a choice in the members only, I think. I asked for a vote, but I didn't see any votes, so I'm just wearing this. And I did upload a video today of me outside watering the plants in a bikini. That's on FanView. That is pay-per-view though, if you guys want to go there and watch it. I can't put that on YouTube because they'll take it down. So yeah, I want to thank all my fans, my subscribers, and thank you for the new subscribers, my old ones. Thank you for hanging out. Please like, comment, and ring the notification bell if you haven't already. Check out my other channels as well. I have TikTok and X and Instagram, FanView, amongst others, Patreon. All the links are in the bio. You can use my link tree for more links. Let me know how you feel about this one. Do you like it? It's kind of in my bag fat. Oh, to be 20 again. That would be lovely if we could all just turn the clock back. But know what we know today, right? You guys like my hair? It was a challenge putting this hairstyle in this little short hair. But yeah, let me know how you guys like it. I have to go get some more white shoes because I only have these that are white. I'm forever looking for a nice pair of white stilettos and I haven't been able to find one. Or yellow. I love yellow, but I haven't been able to find some. So, yeah. Very nice, very light. I can go for dinner in this with a little jacket. As long as I ain't bending over, I'll be alright. I don't know if you guys see Bella, but she's over here because we have a ball right here, but she can't have it because then she'll fight with her and Ella will fight. Ella's in the baby carriage. Alrighty. Since I only did one video today, I will do another dress one right after this one. Sorry that a couple of the videos have been duplicated. It's because they get stuck and I have to upload, and then I can't cancel the other one, and then it ends up loading like a day later. But yeah, this is very cute. I like it. Let me know how you guys feel. Does the color match me? Does the length suit me? Am I too old for this length? Does it look good on me? Like I said, don't come at me for my back fat. I gotta get one of those BBLs where they take the fat from one place and put it in another. That's what I gotta do one of them. So yeah, that's where it is. See the hair. Did you guys notice any my hair getting any lighter? Because I got the purple shampoo, supposed to make it pop. I don't see any difference. If anything, I think it kind of made it darker, like blacker. bailando, bailando. Alright guys, so the standard hellos, hello to England, Scotland, France, Italy, Spain, Canada, Texas, Maryland, North Carolina. That's all I can remember. California. Yeah, but you guys let me know how you like the dress. I'm gonna do a long one after this one. I know you guys prefer the short ones, but a long dress can be very sophisticated, very elegant. This one's kind of flirty, but I think it's kind of elegant as well. What do you think? It's got a little je ne sais quoi on it. Yeah, I like ruffles. I like flowy, airy, light. Yeah, Florida is super, super hot, so the lighter the dress, the better. I forever wear flip-flops or heels. I can't wear I feel like I'm gonna suffocate if I'm wearing sneakers. I never wear sneakers. I don't even own a pair of sneakers. I was telling my husband the other day I gotta buy a pair of sneakers because I don't have any. I'll wear boots in the winter, like knee-high boots, or dressy shoes. Yeah, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and make another video with a different dress. It is gonna be a long one, but please do check it out. Thank you so much again for all of your support and all of your nice comments. It was very nice. It's always very nice to hear from you guys. I try to reply as fast as I can. I've been replying throughout the day, and versus I used to save them all for at night, but it was just too many, so I just do them throughout the day now. If I have missed you, I'm sorry. It's not on purpose. I don't know what happens. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell. Like, comment, share. I'll see you on the next one. I love you. Ciao.